For this example, we're going to see jointly varying quantities. It says the total pressure of the wind P against a wall varies jointly to the area of the wall and to the square of the velocity of the wind V. So I can go ahead and write an equation. The total pressure P, so P varies jointly. That means two quantities that vary together. They're both in the numerator. It's the same thing as direct variation, except I have more than one variable. So it varies jointly with area and also with the square of the velocity of the wind. So there's your equation. And again, we want to find our constant K so that we can write a mathematical model. And here's all the information we need. We have the area of the wall, which is 100 square feet. We have the pressure of the wind. It says, if the pressure exerted against a wall with an area of 100 square feet is 120 pounds, so I know the pressure is 120 pounds, and I also know the area of this wall, which is 100 square feet, and the velocity of the wind is 20 miles an hour. So here's my velocity, and it's squared. Now I can find K. So here you'll have 120 is equal to K times 100 times 400. And that would be 120 equals K times 40,000. And we can divide both sides by 40,000. And you'll get that K is equal to 3 over 1,000. So I can go ahead and write my mathematical model, which would be P is equal to 3 over 1,000, that's your K, times A times V squared. And there's your model. With this mathematical model, I can now answer the question. It says, find P, so I'm to find the pressure, if the area of the wall is 200 square feet. So I'm going to write P is equal to 3 over 1,000. And the area is 200 square feet. And the velocity is 30 miles. So 30 squared. Okay, and you get P is equal to 3 over 1,000 times 200 times 900. If I multiply all the numerators, 3 times 200 times 900, you will get 5, 4, and 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you multiply the denominators, which is 1,000 times 1 times 1, you get 1,000. And then you can cancel out 3 of these zeros with these 3 zeros, and you get 540 over 1, which is 540 pounds. And there you have the answer to this question. Hope you understood. If you didn't, you can always go back. You can re-watch it. You can fast forward. That's the good thing about these videos. I'll see you in class.